Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering whether Monarch Money is really worth paying for, or if it's just another budgeting app with good marketing, you're in the right place. I've spent the equivalent of 30 days exploring its features, and in this video, I'll walk you through what it does well, where it falls short, and whether it's the right choice for you. So let's jump right in. The first thing you'll notice when opening Monarch Money is its clean and modern design. Everything feels organized, making it easy to navigate even if you've never used a budgeting app before. Setting up your accounts is straightforward. You can connect your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments so that all your financial information appears in one place. This means you don't have to switch between multiple banking apps just to see where your money is going. One feature that really stands out is the budgeting system. Instead of simply showing your spending, Monarch Money helps you create personalized budget categories and track them throughout the month. You can quickly see if you're staying within your limits or spending more than expected. The app also categorizes transactions automatically, and while it's generally accurate, you can easily edit any category if needed. Another impressive feature is goal tracking. Whether you're saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt, Monarch Money lets you create financial goals and monitor your progress. Watching those numbers move closer to your target can be surprisingly motivating and helps you stay focused on your long-term plans. The app also provides detailed reports and charts that break down your income, expenses, and overall cash flow. Instead of guessing where your money disappeared, you can clearly see your spending habits and identify areas where you might be able to save more. If you're serious about improving your finances, these insights can be incredibly useful now. No app is perfect. Monarch Money is a premium service, so you'll need a subscription after the trial period ends. For some people, the monthly cost may be worth it because of the advanced features and polished experience. However, if you only need a basic budgeting app, there are free alternatives that might meet your needs. So, after 30 days, is Monarch Money worth it? If you want a powerful all-in-one app to track your spending, manage your budget, monitor investments, and work toward financial goals, it's definitely one of the best options available. But if you're looking for something completely free, you may want to compare a few alternatives before subscribing. That's my review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more honest app reviews and financial tips, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Monarch Money and what your experience has been. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.